I'd like to begin our preview now for our mini unit 5, political change, revolutions, and nationalism. And the reading starts off with a paragraph on how to think of revolutions when compared to a historians call a fever model or simply being sick. And so keep that in mind of what it's like to be sick and how that is compared to a revolution, and it'll help us understand all revolutions. From there, we're going to explore the French Revolution. So, the old order is what life was like in France before the revolution. Forces of change, again, deal with what is going on before the revolution, but we're going to have a more explanation of other things that will cause it. And then the dawn of the revolution. This is where the revolution is getting started in France. Um, then a great fear sweeps France and assembly reforms France. These are two events. From there, we're going to look at how the revolution is going to be divided between radicals, moderates, and conservatives. What makes the French Revolution unique compared to, let's say, the American Revolution is while the revolution's internal, we're going to see that a war with France is going to also start wars with its neighboring countries. And then the terror grips France. This is another event inside of France. Then the revolution ends with a man by the name of Napoleon Bonaparte and his seizing of power. From there, the reading is going to take us back across the Atlantic, and it's going to look at some divisions in colonial society. Then we're going to explore the Haitian Revolution very quickly, and then into South America to look quickly at that revolution, then into Mexico and Brazil to look at how new governments come to there. Uh, then the reading is going to bring us back to Europe and look at these nationalist revolts that are going to spread across the continent. And again, nationalism is, love of your country that can fall into I'm better than you, but also how do you bring people together to form a nation? And again, we're going to see this battle between liberals, conservatives, and moderates. And then we're going to get some specific examples of how they break out across southeastern Europe, like in Greece. Then we're going to explore what's going on in Russia, and then how nationalism can be both a force for bringing people together and driving them apart in this force for unity or disunity. And then we'll look at how Germany becomes a country, and that will end the reading.